Hello friends, I am Prathamesh Mathankar and you are watching Technical Knowledge with Engineers. Today we are going to see 30 MCQ questions from Unit 2 of Communication Skills, which is very important for the university examination point of view. So let's start. First one is Dash is a complex, cognitive, and linguistic skills that makes human beings superior to the other species of living beings. Option A listening, option B speaking, option C reading, and option D writing. And the correct one is option B speaking. Second, Dash skills are the skills that enable the speaker to communicate his her message in a clear, thoughtful, and convincing way. Option A listening, option B speaking, option C reading, and option D writing. And the correct one is option B speaking. Third, that requires steady delivery and slow tempo for achieving communication goals. Option A effective communication, option B effective listening, option C effective writing, and option D effective reading. And the correct one is option A effective communication. Fourth, while speaking, Dash is very important in producing speech with appropriate meaning in syntactic, morphological, and phonological structure. Option A vocabulary, option B confidence, option C eye contact, and option D tone volume. And the correct one is option A vocabulary. Fifth, Dash prepares the base of effective communication. A. Confidence, B. Grammar, C. Eye contact, and D. Tone volume. And the correct one is option B. Grammar. Sixth, language becomes incomprehensive if the dash of word is incorrect. Option A. Pronunciation, option B. Tone volume, option C. Confidence, option D. Grammar. And the correct one is option A. Pronunciation. Seventh, this mode of speaking mostly involve face-to-face or telephonic conversation. Option A non-interactive speaking, option B partially interactive speaking, option C interactive speaking, and the correct one is option C interactive speaking. 8. Public speaking, oral presentation and speech are the examples of option A interactive speaking, option C partially interactive speaking, and option D non-interactive speaking. And the correct one is option C partially interactive speaking. 9th, a dash speech is a form of speech where the speaker's primary purpose is to teach the audience how to speak in front of public. Option A demonstrative speaking, option B informative speaking, option C persuasive speaking, and option D ceremonial speaking. And the correct one is option A demonstrative speaking. 10th, dash speaking generally centered on talking about people, events, processes, places, or things. Option A demonstrative speaking, option B informative speaking, option C persuasive speaking, and option D ceremonial speaking. And the correct one is option B informative speaking. 11. In dash speech, the speaker's goal is to convince the audience to accept his her point of view. Option A demonstrative speaking, option B informative speaking, option C persuasive speaking, or option D ceremonial speaking. And the correct one is option C persuasive speaking. 12th, dash speeches are delivered during a ceremony or a ritual marked by observance of formalities or antiquity. Option A demonstrative speaking, option B informative speaking, option C persuasive speaking, option D ceremonial speaking. And the correct one is option D ceremonial speaking. 13. Which of these are vital for an organization while taking decisions? Option A debate, option B group discussion, option C argument, and option D speeches. And the correct one is option B group discussion. 14th, which of these qualities are important in group discussion? Option A emotional stability, option B hostility, option C ignorance, and option D aggressiveness. And the correct one is option A emotional stability. 15th, in a group discussion one must communicate with option A hostility, option B, long sentences, option C, knowledge, and option D, ignorance. And the correct option is option C, knowledge. 16. Which of these must be avoided in a group discussion? Option A, speaking fast. Option B, asking questions. Option C, speaking with clarity. And option D, speaking facts. And the correct one is option A, speaking fast. 17th. In a group discussion, we should be option A, assertive. Option B, dominating. Option C, subjective. And option D, ignorant. And the correct one is option A, assertive. 18th. Body language can make or break a speech. Option A, true. And option B, false. And the correct one is option A, true. Obviously. 19th. Which of these is not an element of a speaking technique? Option A, voice quality. Option B, word stress. Option C, appearance. And option D, correct tones. And the correct one is option C, appearance. 20. Formal speaking has casual approach to something. Option A, true, or option B, false. And the correct one is option B, false. 21. Dash provides a chance to the employer to segregate a deserving candidate. Option A, public speaking. Option B, group discussion. Option C, interview. And option D, medical test. And the correct one is option B, group discussions. 22. Dash are based on day-to-day socio-economic facts or information with which common people is aware of. Option A, factual topic. Option B, abstract topic. Option C, controversial topic. And option D, political topic. And the correct one is option A, factual topic. 23. Dash are given at an elevated level to check the candidate's lateral thinking and creativity. Option A, factual topics. Option B, abstract topics. Option C, controversial topic. And option D, informal topic. And the correct one is option B, abstract topic. 24. Highly debatable topics are considered as dash topics. Option A, factual topic. Option B, abstract topic. Option C, controversial topic. And option D, formal topic. And the correct one is option C, controversial topic. 25. Day-to-day real-life situations are given in the form of a problem under dash discussions. Option A, factual topic. Option B, abstract topic. Option C, controversial topic. And option D, based on case study. And the correct one is option D, based on case study. 26. In this type, a situation is described and each person in group is asked to assume a specific role in that particular situation. Option A, abstract topic. Option B, controversial topic. Option C, based on case study. Option D, based on role play. And the correct one is option D, based on role play. 27. The prominent point which has the highest weightage in GD is the candidate's option A, communication skill. Option B, reasoning skill. Option C, leadership quality. And option D, non-verbal skill. And the correct one is option B, reasoning skill. 28. To stop a group from being backward, responsible benevolent is needed. Option A, communication skill. Option B, reasoning skill. Option C, leadership quality. And option D, non-verbal skill. And the correct one is option C, leading quality. 29. All employees have to work as a team throughout their professional career is called dash. Option A, communication skill. Option B, reasoning skill. Option C, leadership quality. And option D, team spirit. And the correct option is option D, team spirit. 30. During GD, attention is paid towards dash communications as they are spontaneous responses given by an individual. Option A, written. Option B, non-verbal. Option C, spoken. And option D, appearance. And the correct option is option B, non-verbal. And at last, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.